English speakers love to translate prepositions word for word into Spanish, and it almost never works because prepositions rarely match up perfectly between languages. In this lesson, we'll fix the most common preposition mistakes so you sound much more natural with plenty of examples for each one. Hi, I'm Andres. Welcome back to our Spanish Grammar for Beginners A1 A2 course. This is Lesson 9. A generally means to or at, and it has a very important second job. It's used before a person or pet who is the direct object of a verb. This is called the personal A, and it has no direct equivalent in English, which is exactly why learners forget it. Voy a la tienda. I'm going to the store. Regular use meaning to. Veo a mi amigo. I see my friend. Personal a. Notice there's no to in the English translation, but Spanish still requires a here because the direct object is a person. Amo a mi perro. I love my dog. Personal a extends to pets too. De means of, from, or shows possession or material. Soy de Canada. I'm from Canada. Origin. El libro de Juan. Juan's book. Literally, the book of Juan. Spanish has no apostrophe-s possessive like English. La mesa es de madera. The table is made of wood. Material. En means in, on, or at, mostly for location, but also for some time expressions. Estoy en casa. I'm at home. El libro está en la mesa. The book is on the table. En la mañana, tomo café. In the morning, I have coffee. Note, many regions also say por la mañana. On means with. Voy con mis amigos. I'm going with my friends. Café con leche. Coffee with milk. Hablo con mi madre todos los días. I talk with my mother every day. Let's combine several of these in longer, more natural sentences. Voy a la fiesta con mi hermano. I'm going to the party with my brother. El regalo es de mi madre y está en la mesa. The gift is from my mother and it's on the table. Veo a mi profesora en la universidad. I see my teacher at the university. Ella está en su casa con su familia. She is at her house with her family. The personal A is by far the detail English speakers forget the most, simply because English has no equivalent and the sentence sounds complete without it to an English-trained ear. A quick test: if the direct object of your sentence is a specific person or a beloved pet, you almost always need a before it. Prepositions are small but powerful. Getting them right, including the personal A, makes a huge difference in how natural you sound. Next up, one of the most famous topics in all of Spanish grammar, por versus para. See you there.